right, welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at our new car. I know I kind of teased it a little bit here and there, and it's been a long time since I said anything about it, but we finally are starting to kind of work on it now. I know we're only 2 months away from the season at this point, but we're looking decent with this car. Here it is. We are running a micro sprint this year, 600cc engine. This one is a Suzuki powered by methanol. Gixxer 600 engine. And this is what we're gonna try to figure out and try to have as good a season as we did last year, but with a new division, I guess. And I kind of wanted to switch is because I kind of feel like we accomplished what we set out to accomplish in the compacts, and wanted a new challenge, wanted to hop into something else and try it out, see how I like it. And sprint cars are really where my love is when it comes to dirt racing. So I said, let's just go what seems like the next step from just starting to get into racing with the compact to hopping into what I like, which is the sprint cars. It's micro, so it's not a full size, but still a sprint car to get into. So very, very excited for the season. And I'm ready. And we're gonna record how we're working on it along the way and what's going on and how all we're doing with it, because this specific car hasn't run since about 2017, so we're trying to get it back together, get it back running and everything. But yeah, obviously y'all are going to come along for the ride. A little bit more than with the compact outside of racing we want to do with this car, so we're going to do some more building it on the channel, some more painting, testing and tuning, all that sort of stuff we're going to try to get here on the channel. And yeah, getting ready for the 2024 season coming up. At this moment, we have 16 race dates that we are going to try to get to. We should make all of them. That's for our championship for our region. But, you know, if something comes up here or there, we might not be able to get to all of them. But I do want to try to get to at least one national event this year. There's a few out in Kansas when we have some time off. That'd be cool to get to go race against the people that are probably the best in the country at doing it if you're running the national tour. But yeah, so I'm excited for the season, excited to see how it's going. Really bare bones right now, but that's because we are just starting to get to work on it. We got some more body panels and everything laying right over there. So yeah, we do have this one, and we have another chassis over here. This was the first one we got, but decided to go ahead and buy another one because we have a buying problem. But this one seems like it'll be a better shout to get ready for the season rather than this one, which is completely bare bones. But we got the wings and everything. Excited to get into the season and excited to get to work on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. A little short video update here and reveal, but we will have some more stuff coming soon. See ya.